Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It's Friday, August the 22nd. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, the local share market is set for a modestly lower opening following yesterday's record high, with ASX futures down around 12 points. Global equities weakened overnight, with European shares subdued on little news. In the US, Wall Street's main indices fell ahead of an address by Fed Chair Jerome Powell tonight that could spark volatility. Consumer staples led the declines on the S&P 500 following Walmart's quarterly results. The big box retailer raised its fiscal year sales and profit, driven by strong demand from shoppers across all income levels, but missed quarterly profit estimates and flagged higher costs from tariffs. Shares of the retailer tumbling 4.5%, and follows on from results from other major retailers this week, including Target and Home Depot, which revealed mixed sales and profit forecasts as investors gauge the impact of US tariffs on consumer spending. Well, the tech sell-off early this week appeared to lose momentum, although Nvidia, Meta, Amazon and Advanced Market Devices remained weaker. Shares of Boeing lifted on news the aircraft manufacturer is in talks with as to sell as many as 500 jets to China, but shares just came off at the end. And AI startup Anthropic is reportedly looking to raise as much as $10 billion in a new round of funding. Well, Fed Chair Jerome Powell is scheduled to speak at the much-awaited Jackson Hole Economic Symposium on Friday morning US time, with markets awaiting clues on the path of US interest rates following recent job market weakness. Traders have pared down their bets of a 25 basis point interest rate cut in September to 79% from almost 100% last week. Meanwhile, US business activity picked up pace in August, led by a resurgent manufacturing sector that saw the strongest growth in orders in 18 months. That's according to S&P Global's flash US composite PMI, with the manufacturing sector now back in expansion. Another report showed July sales of existing US homes unexpectedly ticked higher. Well, yields on US Treasuries rose on pared-back bets of an interest rate cut next month, the 10-year rising to 4.32%, the 2-year at 3.79. And the US dollar has strengthened while the Aussie is slightly weaker at 64.2 US cents. And Bitcoin is trading at around 112,000 US dollars. Oil prices have risen after Russia launched more attacks on Ukraine, casting further doubt over the prospect of an end to the war, while US data showed signs of strong demand. Brent crude futures up more than 1% at $67 a barrel. Copper and iron ore have edged higher. Gold slipped to $3,338 an ounce. Well, it's a quiet day on the data docket, while those companies handing down results today include Accent Group, Cobram Estate, Cuscal, GQG Partners, Guzman & Gomez, Helia, Inghams, Latitude, Monash IVF and Zip. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again on Monday.